Wega mutegeri wa Weru TV nontu wakwa na kanya kugwatana na tumethani yetu ya nteto inkugwate ugeni niumbitagwa Christine Wanjeru tukiambiriria mubunge wa Tharaka Gitonga Murugara na uritie thirikari ethirwe ikigwatira na kinyagia gutethereria arimi kuriokia imera iria ciatecanirwe nontu wakwaga bei imbega ni baria kuga imera tabamba na sunflower no itweke ciena gitumi gikinene na kinyagia kuongera baita kire iwanda cia a Kenya na kiria thirikari batire kurutha ni gutethereria na gutigira arimi makuona mbeu imbega nikenda maomba gucokerwa ni nkoro ya kurima urimi uyu na ni baria nkuruki augite urimi uyu ukethirwa ugitethereria nkuruki kethirwa arimi makethirwa makiugwatirira taburia maugwatagira au kabere na MCA wa Igamba Ng'ombe na Wenjeru Ng'ara na uri thirikari ethirwe gicwira kimera kia ndengu thoko imbega.
Cotton used to be all over. We used to sell it. A bag would fetch 300-400 shillings, but that was a lot of money then. Even today, I'm sure it can do as well. So we are looking upon the government, the two governments, the national government, the county governments, to give us subsidized seeds so that we start growing coffee in Tharaka, and the same applies to sunflower. Again, I remember the days of my youth when our farms used to be extremely colored in those flowers of the sun, and it looked very nice. We were also making a lot of income. Let us move into that. I'm told we have seeds of sunflower at Ishara Depot. Those should be brought to Tharaka Nithi. They should be distributed. We start growing this. We have a lot of products in this particular county. Which products, if processed, nobody would say, I am poor. We would all possibly be saying, we are rich, like the coffee farmers of the 70s, who actually had every right to be proud that they were coffee growers.
Ndengu, wakati tunavuna kama sasa tunavuna ndengu, kuna kelele mingi sana huko, kuna market. Ningeomba tu kwa heshima kubwa sana, hiyo iangaliwe.
Gikundi gia asiasa kigwatanirite na akari ba Mount Kenya East ni gikuria thirikari kuthiria ungumania na nkinyagia utumiri umuthuku wa mbia cia mwingi ni baria akenya maingi baumbite kwithirwa magititano ntuba kiria makuga ni utumiri muthuku wa mbesha na muno nkuruki mambilioni mambia kwithirwa makiurira njarani cia antu kiumbe bantu bagutethereria akenya na makigitagwa ugoti umunene na thirikari thite na mbere kuongerera ugoti kiri mauntu mwanya mwanya na ni bariari umakuria magamba maria monde maririko mwankatha ino mambia cia mwingi kwithirwa ikiwa mithiro makirumirwa nikenda mukenya one baita ya ugoti uria arengagwa.
This is what we are saying here from Mount Kenya East. We are committed to paying taxes. Mr. President, we've got your back. We support you. We will support you to the end. Our concern is one. Hii pesa ya taxes ukiokota, Mr. President, you must commit to us that none of your politicians is going to get away with it. You must do everything you can to ensure that none of us loses the taxes we have paid. We encourage you to work together with the EACC. Kama kuna legislation EACC inahitaji so that iweze kupigana na corruption, please Mr. President, marshal your troops in parliament to ensure that they have legislations that support EACC to fight corruption. Kama kuna pesa inahitajika pale judiciary so that they are able to fast track cases za corruption. Mr. President, do everything you can. Fund the judiciary to ensure that wale ambao wanashikwa na cases za wizi, hizo cases zinadiliwa nazo very fast so that we stop losing, we stop losing through corruption. Finally, you must commit as a person that wale marafiki ambao uko nao in parliament, whether it's a CS, whether it's a governor, akishikwa na pesa ameiba, then Mr. President, you have a duty to ensure huyo mtu there will be no sacred cow. Hao watu wanashikwa nama wanaondolewa kwenye serikali. Finally, the issue of wastage. There is a lot of wastage in government, Mr. President. We were shocked the other day to see one government official ananunulia watu mbuzi 500, 500 goats. Hata tujui mbuzi alikuwa ananunua moja how much. Really, how is that money accounted for? Ni pesa yake ya mfuko ama ni pesa ya serikali? Mr. President, a lot of wastage in government. You have a duty to ensure whatever taxes you collect from us is well utilized, is money that goes for the good of the people. And that is what we are calling on you, Mr. President.
Wakati mwingine ingekuwa hata wananchi wauzishwe, watoe mahoni, lakini vitu vingine hata mwananchi anaweza urushiwa, unaambiwa maneno, hata mwananchi hajaelewa ni kitu gani kinaendelea. Mwananchi tu sasa ni kitu gani sasa ataweza kupitiza hapa kufinga. Sasa ni vitu gani wananchi kuna vitu vingine viongozi wetu wanafanya si mzuri vile kulingana na vile ninaona maneno ikifanyika hapa. Tafadhali finance bill kulingana na vile iko, wananchi wakuje wafunzwe ni kitu gani kinaendelea, ili mtu awe anajua kama ni kitu gani kinaendelea. Tuseme hata mwaka huu mwingine inaenda, maneno si mazuri viongozi wetu ndivyo wanaambia siku ya leo, maneno si mazuri. Finance bill hata wengine waelewe vile inaenda.
Minister munene Musalia Mudavadi uri nowe minister wa Mount Obanja na atongoretie uruguria wa wakibagi karukia biashara kuma Tanzania kuonjorithia a Kenya mushi wa Nairobi. Akiaria na ugiterere ni ikinyariri nene muno nuntu wangwataniro iria ithiritwe iribo gatagati ka nthi ya Tanzania na nthi ya Kenya kwa ibinda riri rasha muno ni mambura makinyitwe ni minister wa Mount Obanja wa Tanzania na atongoria amangi manabo. Na Mudavadi na shoketie nkatho cia mwanya muno kiri Tanzania nuntu wa kuonjorithia a Kenya.
As we celebrate this milestone, let us not forget the responsibilities that come with it. We have a responsibility to nurture and sustain the bonds of friendship and cooperation that have brought us to this moment. Together, let us work towards a future characterized by peace, prosperity, and shared progress for all. Finally, Your Excellency, I reiterate the commitment and support of the government and the People's Republic of Kenya in ensuring the growth of the relations between our two countries. Tanzania remains a strategic, in fact, a key strategic partner for Kenya in many areas, and in particular trade, security, education, and agriculture, amongst others. It is incumbent upon us, therefore, to continue deepening and strengthening these areas of cooperation for the common good of our people and our countries. The construction of an investment building in Nairobi is a show of dedication to fostering economic ties and promoting trade between our two countries. This investment building will harness the potential of economic cooperation for the benefit of both our peoples. It will also serve as a hub for business leaders, entrepreneurs, and investors from both countries to explore opportunities, forge partnerships, and drive innovation across the sectors of mutual interests. As we lay the foundation for this new venture, I am confident that it will become a symbol of our collective determination towards growth of commerce and investment as drivers of sustainable development and prosperity. Together, let us seize this opportunity to unlock new avenues of trade for our countries and peoples.
We are happy today that in the next 2 years, the skyline of Nairobi will be different for what we are doing today. There will be a hub for diplomatic engagements and a nerve center where investors and business persons from Tanzania and Kenya can commune and cross-pollinate ideas. This will add color to our cityscape. The upcoming facility will serve as an abode for showcasing the vast investment and trade potential for our region.
Gavana wa Machakos Wavinya Ndeti nauritie thirikari kubariera ririega onjorithia nikenda maomba kuringa biashara ciao wega na nkinyagia matikathamire nthi ciingi ni baria kuga onjorithia mamwe ni mathamirite nthi ya Tanzania ruarua nuntu wa kurega kwiganirwa ni ugoti. Aritio mama akiri uruguri wa kiwanda kia mabati gia Kenya Nteresia Kenya ni baria nkuruki akathite abunge nuntu wa kwithirwa makirega na mamwe mama ugoti kiri finance bill ya mwaka uyu wa 2024.
And I can tell you in Machakos County, every month we are opening a new industry. We just thank God that we're having investors coming here every day. This is one of them. Is going to change the roofing in this country, relationship with us and the Chinese government. And I would want to applaud that and tell them we will continue working with them because Kenya is a place to invest. We have a long working relationship with them and we'll continue working with the Chinese government to ensure that our people get employment and also they partner with the local investors to build more factories in Kenya. I want to take this opportunity to really thank the members of parliament because they have looked at the financial bill and they have removed some of the things that were really affecting Mwananchi. What I want to tell them, scrutinize it more. Yeah, scrutinize it more and make sure that our people are well taken care of because you know we are suffering. Kenyans are suffering. Number one, we just came from COVID, and then with the war going around the world, things are a bit tough. So let us make it a bit easy on our people in this country. So what I would also want to ask is let us look at more incentives to give our investors so that they stop going to other countries. We have had some of our investors move to Tanzania, move to Rwanda, move to other places. Why should we allow them to do that? And I'm sure I've been in a few meetings with the president asking the investors what he can do for them. So I'm telling him now, I'm kindly asking him, it is high time what the investors have told us we do for them. We do for them so that they stop going outside this country. To have open days here to come and learn, yeah, on their technology, the new technology that they have here. That will really help our young people. It gives exposure to our young people to come and see what they do. And what I would also request them, I know they said they'll move the number to 200, but would want them to expand more so that maybe they can absorb about 1,000 youth from this country, and Machakos especially.
Atono wake banini tikathie no ako.
Ana baku ni botoro baruju ritana mwana waku wega bwagwikaga muthitho ari umunini kenda ombaga kubangira ruju rwawe na Solution Sacco Hippo Junior account baritane ati ochumuni yonde ni agitumi na gwikaga muthitho yonde ni bobwega ni untubo matuko janyu mene muthitho jukabatetheria gukura ni twitikaire free internal standing order na nkuruki turi na fund ya twana na jangi jama ingi rugura Hippo Junior account kirerwangirwe tururu rya kwinagwe na wigwatire Hippo Junior Piggy Bank utheri kenda kuthongomia wikibwa muthithu kugwata nteto nkuruki turingire thimu gukurukira 0728787972 kana uriongire mutandao wetu www.solutionsacco.com. Solution Sacco, your ultimate financial partner.
Mwezi huu wa Mei, changamka na StarTimes. Tunaleta joto na channels mpya na shows mpya kwa ajili yako. Chagua bouquet yako na uwe connected. Enjoy magic na adventure zaidi kwenye Kili Channel.
Oh man, this is gonna be awesome.
Ni sherehe zaidi kwa wapenzi wa spoti, wrestling, basketball na football.
A goal to send a message.
Lipia subscription yako uwe connected. Guswa hisia na drama na telenovela freshi, movie kali, documentaries, mziki na lifestyle channel. Changamka na StarTimes.
Let's get ready to
download StarTimes on app kwa burudani kemkem wakati wowote popote ulipo. StarTimes, furahia maisha kidijitali.
no twiro kithangikagwo ni mirimo mwanya mwanya na ndiuga kwa nkorokairi. Mokeo Nutritional Herbal Clinic turiaja nontu bwaku tutiritaga murimo jo sukari na mieri 3, high blood pressure na mieri 3, arthritis na mieri 3, low libido na ntuko 3 na thinewe kathira buru, ironda bya kiu, alanjisha mithemba yonthe, thina ya mugongo, kwaga mwana kiri antu akana arume na mirimo ingi kathumba. Aja Meru obisi sheto iri Kalkia akwina nduka inene ya Magunas ire yari uchumi na turugura kwambiria thaijire sharuki iri mwanka thaa 10 muciogoro. Maoa turisa Macloch nyuma ya Ken Silva na no turiungire ntuko cionthe cia Jumatatu na obisi sheto iruguraga kwambiria thaijire sharuki iri mwanka thaa 10 muciogoro. Nkoroki gwatania na ndagitari o munene mutaaramu J Mburu ntuko cionthe cia Jumaine kwambiriria thaijire na ndaika 50 aja kwa Weru TV. Kumenya mantu Nkoroki araniria na ndagitari o munene mutaaramu J Mburu gukurukira 0721 640 369 0721 640 369. Mokeo Nutritional Herbal Clinic, tunatibu, Mungu anaponya.
Nukubanga gweta kuongera kithomo gyaku nthiguruna ya USA kana Canada. Ithiro iri undergraduate, accelerated nursing, masters, PhD kana kurutana America. Africa Airlift Initiative ibakumbithia ukinyania untu bubu. Nitwajanaga visa coaching, career guidance na motungata jange ja gitumi. Turingira thimu kurukira 0719 857 754 kana 0799 047 279. Riongera obishi yetu ira iri Nairobi, Muthaiga Square, Ntagaro ya Muthaiga Police Station, first floor, obishi namba 7 kana obishi ya Nkubu GM Plaza, second floor, obishi namba 3, Ntagaro ya Nkubu Police Station. Africa Airlift Initiative, success beyond borders.
This is GoTV, and right here is where you can catch the brilliance of Mbappe, the scoring power of Kane, Ronaldo's, and all of the greats fighting for the glory to be crowned the kings of Europe. Don't miss the unbeatable action of all 51 games of Europe's biggest football event live on SuperSport on GoTV and GoTV Stream. The Euro 2024 live. That's GoTV for you. Love it.
Orengi nkugwate ogeni tukithie na mbere agwatiri ma utari kumantere ciana nyuki ni mumeretie kugwatirira mbeu imbithi nikenda gucokaniria mitugo yao kumatara na nkinyagia kumatetheriria kuthiria thina ciake imeciria ni bamaruguritie gikaro gia kurutha amazoezi mukawani wa Pick na nyuki nikenda gutetheriria ayuthi mama na njira mwanya mwanya gucokaniria miturire yao.
You can see how fit they are. They look very fit. Already, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Zinafanya watu waweze kufikiria
na kuweza kufanya kazi pamoja na kuweza kusaidiana na kila mtu kuleta mawazo yake, ndio kila mtu awajibike katika kutafuta suluhisho ya shida zile zinaweza kuwa zinawakumba, kwa sababu zile kazi tunawapatia wafanye zinakuwa ni ngumu, lakini wakifikiria pamoja na kufanya kazi pamoja wanaona kumbe ni rahisi. So inakuwa mara nyingi tunataka wawe wakishirikiana, wakifanya kazi pamoja, wakifanya kama kikundi, lakini mtu asifanye kama binafsi.
With that done, the next thing which we will not be able to do today, riding on the back of the outdoor fitness center, we are establishing a camp, the forest camp. And that forest camp now is where we take the same youngster on a hike into deep of Mount Kenya forest, and there we teach them, we call it bushcraft, life skills, some call them survival skills. And so then again, it's the same thing, we are reinforcing the person. And of course the climax of that is where now we go up the mountain like we did about 2 months ago, and then you test yourself to the utmost. So basically what we are doing is, yes, there is fun in it, but it's a challenge. You get tired, you get exhausted, you feel like you can't make it. But when you are slowly push yourself, and that's the kind of thing which we are talking about, is to realize that you got more resources within us, whether you're young or old, than what we actually take for granted. So those are the things which we want to do.
Onaithiro katiba ya Kenya ni ugite ciana cionthe cina kioto gia kwithirwa ikithoma kwithomo na untu uyu utithagirwa uri umubuthu kiri ciana cionthe muno ciana iria itina aciari kana iciumite mici iria itikwiumba runi rurugono rwa ciana imwe kumanterecia egembe ni iria ciumba kwithirwa itina bantu bagwita muci indi ni ciumagia banene na gutigira ikuthoma na riria ciuma cukuru kiogoro na igendaga igacua ibarua nikenda ciona gintu gya gwikira anda na kiurio gikinene kiri maria mabatire kwithirwa amagitethereria ciana ino ni kumari na nkinyagia atongoria amaribo ni rugono rwe tubanganiritwe ni mwandiki wetu wa Nteto Nicholas Chabari.
Obukoraithĩria ũyũ Kevin na Orane Denesi na makabathĩ na mbere na shughuli ciao cia ũgoro ikĩbaro betwo ũtugu nĩkenda bona ambia kũrĩa na nkũrũki bya kwĩbaiga acukuru no nto bakwĩthĩrwo batuĩkĩte aciari bongo babongwa no nto bakara kinyamuta wa mabanda ũrore taoni ya Mutwati ũrokomekana hata shauri yako no nto bakwĩthĩrwo kwenda kuthoma no mwanka baetome baruta kibaro kionda kia bakona nikenda abathi na mbere na kithomo okiao. Cukuru ya primary ya Nkamathi ni moya cukuru Muturi na cukuru imbingi ira akubi na taoni eno ya Mutwati na iri na ana kathomba abakuma mutaojo gwa shauri yako barabara na bota enene ya kithomo na ibakumania amuno nikenda gutigire ibagukiria uturo bwao gukurukira kithomo kinya gwethira bakurukira menyamaro emenene igita aria baetaoni eno
wethera bena changamoto sana kimathomo, but fortunately wethera by the best students, most of them were the best wayakire academics wayake curricular
onda ni 33 baratumbitwo kapcha mwanga thai na tikaba 33 akini baba ingi ko still no to process in kuendelea kuwa kapcha mbethera bara na babome. For example, we have Kevin Mwendia and Dennis Mathiki. Kevin ni mwana umba kuma number 1 kiring grade 7 kirazi grade 8 kirazi nekeo na tonete mwana una potential na mwana umba tetheru akethwa na uturubu ya bandaye.
We have met some of them and are very good in class and are all around. In fact, the students president munene wa ritobonthe sukuru muzima aumite wao unge noe very good student, good in class, good in co-curricular activities
na mantu akoriaria twana tuitu the most gifted ukona thake witwa Mwendia no thwe na michetho no ura wetera ndiro te muchetho atichethe nya basket mo nyethe ti practice ona eta na mbere nara no mbaita kuraya muno na michetho na kirasi ni no uma number 1 kona ni mwana na talent indi wiki uri yakona atiri kuna talent ingi muno ikurira omenara na nkaiboruru muno ndi mukario Mutwati.
ino itaoni ya Mutuati taoni imwe inene ntere-ino cia Gembe North na taoni ijijikene en muno na biashara acia muthenya na kinya mathaa ma utugu nukuona antu no abathite na mbere na kuringa biashara ciao ogo ikuonania mwanka thaa ino ukaria burabura ngaratanagia antu ibwanjiritie kwagira na antu ibakwithirwa bari na thiri bakiringa biashara ciao no amwe nogu kira kindetete gukone kwithirwa kuri na ana nkoroki ya 30 baithiagirwa abari ana bakurandaranda ataoni ino ya Mutuati na indi ibairutaniritie ebonene nontu obari na abota ya kithomo na gucenjia uturo obwao na ikyo nontu mbujite kuona abura baithagirwa bakibangania maisha amao mathaa maraba umachukuru muta ujo wa shauri yako ni muta wa mabanda na ukamatite ana abaingi banene na abanini barani ana abakwenda akuthoma no indi mantu bana bakurukira taoni ino ya Mutuati muta ukumekana atha shauri yako imantu umakurigaria nontu bakwithirwa ana baba bonthe ukibona nyumba ino ba mama abantu amwe ana bari na ana abandaka nontu bakwithirwa yo kubatina abawiteria nabu aciari bao baingi bao ibateyanirie family ino na gutwikana bamwe bao batikumenya kinya aciari ibao ibariko indi kirage utumakia abonene ni gutwikana kwina gwati bonene kinya bakwato imirimo bari tauni ino na nkuruki kinya kwaga abya korea nontu bwithirwa bakinyamara akinene
kweremo batutu maskuru to ya to asibito korea ikabindi no gato eta turi bito korea
nyara bakara is a lot kana kwi problems nyingi muno batekwa kurara bamwe barare muiko ya twerie kuthiatila why they are not in school tukona beta kuiritira ngwe kenda bomba at least kuona kiraro na bomba kinya kwa fund ya korabio kenda bomba kuthora ba school
na baitura bia korea batia shwandi korea no rira bironeka iro bari ya na ya maingi biura mwankana bamwe ni arimba buthiti arrangement bakashare bila bakurua bia lunch na baukenda no baruma bia lunch no to either ni bubarere na the following day tikabare ya shwandoff kethe kuibingi bakona
all of them bauma shukuru batura oro baeta bakawike wiro baro bakamatira ntu into bakariwa they can't avoid to do that
achana nyaka uma shukuru katunya no kone mbati musuri kakala na shukuru za mwanja lakini oroke ya kukethurwa wakati kona bia kora no kakaita kutaratara nakakomba kuria
bia kore thina kiribo uniform thina kiribo nyumba cheko mama ne thina bamote nja bomete patichinya kwao pamo ibo achiari ibo bethe ibo baina kuibena ba sister bao patiki kiarof
tu alto tu tugenda godo tu kudangunta tese skuru siori to da tugenda bia kora bia rukirila breakfast lunch ne nyasa pa oro tukende kuiteremura kinya tukende tonta bibi kora ikani don tu musie ete skuru kenda tu mutekra responsibility ontiwe ya oro askos the big brother kiwe amanto mengi mnikio ni otegemea so ikabidi beti mantonte ikabidi te skuru kenda weta unna ndata tatu anambia kumenya nata after skuru nata yoto kiendelea kwa dondo yongeta mantonte ayo
na umenye nontu manto mara ana baba kurukira ataoni ino ya Mutuati tikama manto makai bamwe bana baba ibalemeretwe igo makamata na kinya batejaniria kithomo erikiriu inkwenda ombira wo wathoma cukuru iriku na watigire kithomo yaku cukuru kirasi kiriku na gitumi kia giatumire utiganire cukuru kiriku
Inkamathi ndathoma ira 6 Inkamathi
onto urathoma kira 6 na thayo te kuthoma iki giatumire otia kuthoma
oi andra yatorwa Garissa taoni mutano ciende kuyabo Mutuati nde mbulane te suru
Garissa wagitata
Garissa imo gandenda ndenda Somali tanaribara
rigo kuya Mutuati no kuona wena bata ya kwenda gucoka cukuru kira 6 ira kana ureona kithomo hata
ndenda guthomo maisha ya goria thame agwenda simutu yombo timno tegona twala twena ciaru bibingi ono sumanjera go ngamtu agairwa njara agaroga
ino ne thina iratwarikia na kuona irina ana ababa barani arito bacukuru ya primary ya Nkamathi na kinya ya junior secondary na indi tuwatanire gicunjeni igachiere tone kaumo kathina ino yongwa aniriko na bora yomba kwithirwa yena magwati imakari muturireni igwa anto obantere ino Gembe North. Antonia Weru TV Betan Class Chabare.
Ni wega nontu akona kanya kurumira nteto cietu cingira njira nkinyaniru ni cia kinya thaa 1:30 kiogoro. Withire na muthenya mwega.